passes so quickly. Christmas will soon be here and come and go on schedule. So...
You better watch out. You better not cry.
You better not pout, I'm telling you why.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
He's making a list. He's checking it twice.
He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice.
Santa Claus.
Hey, wait, you're not singing?
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You're just moving your lips.
What's the big deal?
Andrea. Santa Claus is coming to town. And so, with a little help, Buddy once again has managed to save Christmas. And his spirit saved a lot of other people too. Buddy now travels, telling the fictional story about an adoptive elf who was raised in the North Pole, went to Noblesville, Indiana, ate spaghetti, worked in Andrea's workshop, and eventually saved Christmas. I traveled through the 7 levels of the candy cane forest, past the sea of swirly twirly gumdrops, and then I walked through the Lincoln Tunnel. As for me, I can't complain. Buddy comes up to visit me from time to time. Business in Andrea's workshop continues to be busy because of good people like you. As for Andrea herself, well, you know the rest of the story. She went down in history.
Thank you so much for an incredible 2021. Our busy minds are already at work for an extra special 2022. And as always, happy scrapping!